Hello, welcome to Jacqueline Baldwin Dunlap Park and Arboretum here in Urbandale, Iowa. I'm John Schultz with Optimum Performance Physical Therapy, giving you a little bit of information about an exciting workshop we have here in September about the benefits of urban pulling. Cindy! Oh my gosh, well this is Cindy Swanson. She will tell you a little bit about her experience with urban pulling.
I was so happy to be introduced to the urban poles. I had a wrist rehab I was working with John on. He told me about the ergonomic grip on these walking poles. I've been walking for 20 years and just using the poles for about 2 months. I really noticed right away a better posture because they hold you upright. I noticed less pain in my knees because you're offloading, what you call it, offloading.
Getting that core engaged too helps.
You get your core going. You've used more muscle groups behind your arms. It's really a great tool. It's fun to walk outside and burn those calories.
Exact. Cindy couldn't have said it better. The exciting thing is, as part of this workshop, you're going to learn how to burn 40% more calories, use 80% more muscles, less joint pain. These are really a game changer. You're not going to find them anywhere, and you're going to be able to leave with a set of poles as part of this workshop, and you're going to know how to use them, and you're going to low-tech tool, and we can pretty much guarantee you're going to have an experience similar to Cindy. And again, we're very grateful for this great park here in Urbandale.
When's that going to be?
September 24th from 6 to 7:30. More information on the flyer, but we hope to see you there, and again, have a great day.